Hello and welcome to our tutorial on creating a fabric flower fascinator. With just a lightweight fabric like satin, you can make a unique headpiece and an elegant design. Let's dive right in. Lay out your chosen fabric flat on a clean surface with the face down and back side up. Use the 10-inch circle template to trace and cut out several circles from the fabric. Use a tailor's chalk or a fabric marker to trace out the circles. You'll need about 8 to 10 circles for a full flower. I will be cutting out 10 circles. This next step is optional. After cutting out the template, you can singe the edges of the satin fabric with a candle for a charming finish. This is just to clean the edges of any loose ends. Take one fabric circle and fold it in half, and then fold it in half again to form a smaller triangle shape. Thread a sewing needle with matching thread and tie a knot at the end. Starting from the pointed end of the triangle, make small running stitches along the folded edge, about 1/4 inch apart. Repeat the same for all 5 petals. Now, once you've stitched along the entire folded edge, gently pull the thread to gather the fabric and create a petal shape. Secure the stitches by tying a knot at the end. Repeat this process for each fabric circle. Then overlap and arrange the petals to form a full layered flower shape. Ensure that the petal above stays in between 2 petals. Now using pearls, I made a beaded ball. Place the beaded ball right in the middle of the embellishment and secure it with hot glue. Then place your chosen embellishment in the center of the flower. Add a small amount of hot glue to the back of the embellishment and press it firmly onto the center of the flower. With the glue, attach the first flower to the second flower. Then you flip the flower over and apply a generous amount of glue to the back to attach the crocodile clip. Position the crocodile clip onto the back of the flower, making sure it's centered, and press down firmly to secure it in place. Take a 3-inch fabric circle, place it over the back of the crocodile clip. Apply glue around the edges of the fabric circle and fold it over the clip, covering it completely. Lastly, we embellished our beautiful fabric fascinator with pearls. Add a small dab of hot glue to the flat back pearl. Arrange the pearl of the same color. Arrange it around the edges of the flower petals or wherever you desire, pressing them gently into the fabric to secure them in place. And let the fascinator dry completely. You've created a beautiful fabric flower fascinator adorned with an embellishment beaded ball for a polished look. Thanks for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and creative inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting.